Confusion is perfectly normal at this stage, Captain. Do you have a visual signal? Stand by for thread 1 of alpha memory pattern.
Assalamu alaikum guys, what's poppin' everybody? Welcome to another stream. We are so back. Yo everybody, Inek, Cow, my man, how's it going? Mr. Dick, of course you're in. Fakri Isra, welcome. And Yasser, yes sir. What's good, man? How's it going? How's it going everybody? We're just gonna do some maintenance today, hopefully, and open source as always. I'm gonna share my screen. You know the drill at this point, right? We're just gonna fuck around and have fun, hopefully. I don't know if you like the music, by the way. Feels a bit too chill, but I guess it's fine. I can't walk, dude. Why? Because you're not actually attached to a body, or what's going on? Let me check my issues, and not like mental issues, but like open source. You know, so that I have an idea of what to do today. Hey everybody, say hi in the chat. I mean, if you want to. If you don't want, feel free to just lurk, but we don't like lurkers here, alright? I just want to know who you are and what you're grinding about. You're on your mood today. Not really, dude. I'm just fucking dying inside. Hi in the chat. Come on, guys. That was not funny at all. You know what? Maybe I should add the chat screen to the live stream so you see your messages over here, you know? Would you like that, or is that unnecessary? Because I consider doing that, and it will be a problem when it comes to creating shorts, because there will be the chat window over here, but then I will be able to create shorts related to the chat, but I don't know. Innovative. That was not innovative at all. Like, it was just it's a cold dad joke. But yeah, don't leave the stream just because I said that, alright? We're just starting, alright? This is a warm-up. You know when it gets really good in these streams? After the second hour, gets super freaky. Because after the second hour, I basically start to not care. Like, I just forget about that I'm streaming. Because everyone is just so quiet after that point, and I'm like super locked in. So I'm like, okay, I'm just on my own now, and I can say whatever I want. And then it gets super weird after that point, because I just kind of like let it out, you know? Not that I'm keeping stuff in, don't get me wrong here, but you know, like, you know, there's some effect called, like, I don't know if it's a thing, but like it feels like a drunkenness at some point, you know? Like, just blend into the night, and then your thoughts just become more like normalized, and you just start to let your creativity out. What am I fucking saying? I can watch the replay, no problem. I haven't seen anything like that. Dude, just check the streams that I stream more than 2 hours. Like, yeah. But I mean, I gotta work on something that I need to lock in first. Otherwise, it won't work. Because otherwise, I wouldn't fry my brain enough to actually reach that level of intelligence. Not intelligence, but like maybe stupidity. Whatever you want to call it. Um, whatever. So, yeah, I don't think I have something like that in my hands today, though, sadly. But what I have in my hands is actually this little thing, little as in, 9.6k stars. We gonna just do some maintenance on this because people asking for a new release, and I've been just postponing it because I wanted to finish the 2E version, but I never did. Like, it's just at this point, this is a side project, and the 2E is like a side project, so it's like super low in the priority list, sadly. Not super low, but yeah. But that's what I'm gonna do. Go over the issues, maybe implement 1 or 2 features, bump the dependencies. Actually, we can just start with that, because that's boring though. I don't know, guys. Just gonna dive into it because there are a lot of things that I need to look at here. It's been a while since I created a release, I think. Let me check the latest one here. Oh my god, it's in November. God damn it, it's been 2 months. Oh no, 3 months. No, 2 months, right? My time is flying so fast at this point. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do basically. So if you're new to Rust, this is not a Rust tutorial by any means, by the way. I just assume that you just like know everything. No, not really, but yeah, just run cargo outdated to get the versions that you need to upgrade. And I don't want to like focus on them one by one, because I mean that's just a lot of work going through each changelog. But I will go ahead and take a look at the most important ones, such as maybe I don't know, let me check. Somewhere is a big one, request is a big one, and the other one, okay, wait, next version, lazy, regex, index map, those are just fine, dude. I'm gonna start off with the core crate, because I have 2, because why not? It's just a library. Only 10x are here. This is not a casino stream. I don't know if you have realized that, but yeah, this is your full-time job as open source contributor. Yes, this is what we're doing, and this is kind of like underrated as a effort, because when somebody asks what are you doing, it's always cooler to answer I'm working on a new project, or I am trying to fix this problem. It's never a fun thing to say, hey, I'm doing maintenance. It's never fun, but it's actually quite important in my opinion. This is what makes your project really shine through the others, because if you have a good, like, well-maintained project, that's just gonna be a plus. Like, you don't want to go into a tool or library or whatever and see like updated 10 years ago. You always want to see something more recent, so that's kind of that now. And this song is just kind of like draining my soul at this point. I want something faster and like less chill. Don't you guys agree with that? Let me see what I have over here. 1 second. I don't want to play something copyrighted, because I mean, I already get copyrighted with these things anyways. And maybe if there's a chance YouTube algorithm do not catch these quite obscure stuff and Sometimes I don't get copyrighted. Sometimes though. Most of the live streams are just demonetized. Tell them the salary, they will forget about your job. What salary, dude? Salary is just 0. Make it a little louder. Alright. I got you. So yeah, what are we doing? CA cache. So this is actually like wait. CA cache. That's quite related to this HTTP cache request thing, because this is like the actual library that caches the requests from the request crate, and this uses CA cache. I think I use it. Wait, what? No, this is not really related to CA cache. Hold on. This is for caching the commits. Okay, that's fine then. We don't need to check that out. So CA cache. I wish there was a easier way to go to the changelogs. But sadly, all the projects have their own changelog file in a different format and a different name. So it just takes time to go through crates.io or the repo and the changelog. But anyways, so add hard link hash, improve documentation. Those are just fine. Those are just fine. Let's just have them here. So cargo upgrade is the command, I think. Cargo upgrade, and I need to wait. How do I actually? Okay. PCA cache, that would just work, I think, because I want to like edit this. CA cache, wait, did I just make a typo? Okay, CA cache should be updated now. Config, let's see what changed in config. This is peak open source maintenance. We just clicking stuff on the browser and then running a single command. I just called that a that's it. So config should be fine too, but let me check just in case. Fixed regression, okay, include key on, that's fine, that's totally fine, that is fine. Okay, expect test, I don't expect the test, I don't expect test to fail, so sorry, I just had to make that pun. Index map, though, that should be fine too, but I'm just curious because there's like a minor bump. Index map, repository. All right. You might be asking, why am I using index map instead of hash map? Because it has indexes, dude. Come on, isn't that so obvious at this point? It literally says index and map. Grow up. I don't know why I said that. So commits. Actually, no. I need to check between 260 and 271. All right. The old way of checking the changelog, okay? Because there's no changelog. You just gotta read the comments. So yeah. Oh, there's a changelog. Add color. Okay, that's fine. That's totally fine. Just doing a quick check for the backdoors. You know, that's also important. You want to make sure that there are like no backdoors in the crate that you're using. And if you see something that is suspicious, something like obfuscated or ciphered or whatever, just stop using it and start backtracking the backdoor. And when you find it, write a blog post, send it to Hacker News and Profit. Assume this is the after 2 version of you. No, we haven't started. This is the warm up, dude. This is the warm up. So yeah, just remember what happens with the XZ, okay? XZ, backdoor found, blog post written, immediately posted on socials, make the profit, get the raise, make the money, move to Dubai, get a yacht, get a freaking, I don't know, Lambo, whatever. Just live your life, okay? All thanks to one backdoor, and that's not how it went. Actually, that I was just kidding. But we are visionaries. We are visionaries, okay? We believe that that might be possible. Not really. I'm not really. Yeah, just at this point, I'm just damaging my reputation, which does not exist. But whatever. Just doing maintenance, okay? How can I make this thing more fun? I cannot because it's boring. You're ambitious. I don't know what that means though. Is that a real word? Does not sound like a real word to me. Wait, let me just check on the translate. Ambitious you meant, I think. You're just grinding, okay? Join the grind. Join the grind already, okay? If you haven't joined, you gotta join. There you got the link. Go to this website and press the first button that you see on the right. Wait, what am I running? I just run the package updates instead of cargo outdated. Okay, next version. I don't remember what changed here. Just dependency updates, that's fine. Next version. Okay, the big boy request. Let's check the request changelog. I have a link to that already. Some stuff in there, of course. Fix compilation. Those are just fine. I trust this library. No backdoors, guaranteed. Nothing's gonna happen. Dude, at some point I just want to write a backdoor, okay? I just want to see what will happen. I'm just curious. No, actually, I shouldn't have said that. I don't have any chance to actually cut that out. It's just going raw into my channel after this live stream is published, so I'm fucked. But okay, maybe I will. Not really. No backdoors guaranteed. That's the famous last words, probably. Create, solve, and post. Dude, I'm not gonna create a backdoor, okay? Don't clip that, please. I don't have anyone clipping my stuff, but if you're a clipper, it sounds weird though. If you identify as a clipper, don't clip that, because I'm not gonna actually do that. I'm not responsible for any attacks in the Rust ecosystem after this point. I just said that it might happen. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not behind the future attacks. FBI, CIA, whatever. Freaking Milli İstihbarat Teşkilatı. I don't know. Anything out there. I am not related or associated with any attackers in the Rust ecosystem. Thank you for listening. I'm gonna take a sip now. Got time and Tokyo left. I think those are just fine to upgrade. Time. Let's upgrade time. Upgrading time sounds very futuristic. You know, that I don't know why I'm so proud of that joke. Open the back doors, the nethers. Dude, we should just play Minecraft again. We just gotta do it. That should happen, okay? I just missed playing Minecraft. Maybe this time we can play modded Minecraft, because why not? I'm done with that one. I'm gonna update dependencies on the actual git cliff crate now. Clap, and vlogger. I cannot update vlogger because I am highly dependent on one feature which is removed now. I am kind of ashamed of that because I am just depending on an outdated version of a dependency, but there's nothing to be ashamed of. It is open source. You're free to do whatever as long as you're not putting backdoors in your releases. That's also fine if you're just experimenting, but not really for educational purposes. Maybe not really. Don't do that. So we're gonna just go ahead and upgrade clap. Clap complete, clap mangen. What do you think about clap mangen? It's just generating man pages. Oh my god, what is going on? Why my CPU is actually making a spike right now? Because of the Rust analyzer, okay? I'm just gonna kill it. As long as I don't kill OBS, we should be good. We should be Gucci. But if I kill OBS, we're fucked. I don't know how to restart the stream. By the way, look at this heat map over here. This is the view that you would see if you're writing Rust. This is what you see. Like, okay, no more ranting about Rust. I like your reputation, except the backdoor. My reputation, you know what? Did you see Binsider? Go to binsider.dev and scroll to bottom. Take a look at the footer. Just saying. Binsider.dev. Take a look at the footer. There's one little text there. Hey all from Brazil. Hey Jose Carlos Cirqueira Jr. I probably butchered your name, sorry. But welcome. How's it going? How's it going, man? How are you feeling? How's life? Tell us about life. Are you from which city in Brazil? Not that I know every city in there, but I'm kind of like interested in traveling there. I don't know. It's just an interesting idea that I have over some time now. Update inform. That's kind of important. Tiberia Pretonier something. So okay, got you. That's I need to look that up. Sounds cool though. Like no pun intended. Sounds cool. Like it sounds cool in both ways, both pronunciation wise and city wise. Okay, update informer. Are you writing Rust or what do you do, Jose? Or should I call you Carlos? I don't know which name you're using. Use etc. instead of directories. Roll back the code cow. Alright, this is a big release actually. Documentation. Whoa, what is this? How can I switch to Rust from C? You just do it, man. Like, what do you mean? Switch. Like, you want to learn Rust? You have... I mean, that's actually great. Because you already know C at that point. So you got the fundamentals. So it will be actually quite a good experience. Like a pleasurable experience to switch to Rust at that point, I think. So what I would suggest is just read the docs and create something, build something, practice, read, you know. So yeah, studying Ratatouille, that's awesome, man. That's great. What are you cooking? Are you doing something, or do you plan to make something with it? That's great, actually. I like when people say that, like Ratatouille. Like, we have some terminal chefs in the chat. W in the chat, please, for them. What should I focus on? I don't know. What interests you in C? You can probably and most likely will find that in Rust as well. So you should just focus on what you were doing in C and just port that to Rust by struggling a bit at first, but then you'll get used to the flow. So yeah, draw me on the terminal. Okay, wait a minute. I will draw you in the terminal. The grind. There you go. I draw you in the terminal. You got it. Which one do you like? Which one represents you, the grind? This one is pretty good. Okay, maybe Yeah, this doesn't fit the terminal, but okay, I drew you. What else do you want? Non-GUI apps. That's like, if that's your focus, you're gonna just enjoy Rust then, because it has a really good terminal and command line ecosystem. So you are at the right place. Just gotta practice a bit more and build stuff. You got this on me. No, I'm not gonna draw you, Mr. Lake. That's like, I am not allowed to do that, sorry. It's YouTube guidelines. Don't get mad at me, get mad at them. So we basically updated all the dependencies, so I'm just gonna go ahead and push this. Thank you for your time. For what? But yeah, thank you, I guess. Like, that sounds scary actually, you know that, right? Because you basically said thank you for your time, and then you just give no context whatsoever. Like, are you just gonna, like, what are you gonna do, dude? Just gonna shoot me in the head or what? Okay, that was not a good joke. Anyways, thank you for your time because you joined. Thank you to all those 8 people who joined. Shout out to my ex-girlfriend. I know that you're watching. Let's link up again. Not really. But thank you for all the lurkers, all the people who are active in the chat. You know, where are my moderators? Where are my moderators? Nowhere. They are not in the chat, and I just made them moderators because they were watching the stream. Now nobody's here. I'm just on my own. I gotta ban people by myself. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Mods, where are you? Ferris, thank you for the uppercase message. Tyler, hey. Is that a snail? That's not a snail. But anyways, mods nowhere to be found. What am I gonna do? I'm just gonna code and then ban people at the same time. Can you believe that? Dude, life is hard. Life is really hard. God damn it. Okay, cargo lock. Just gonna copy this because it's a nice message. Can you just accept my password, please? Thank you. And we're gonna push this directly to the main because we are just a rebel at this point. What is this? Rebase. Push it, please. Thank you. And I'm just gonna go ahead, select all these things over here. Just select everything. Select everything, please. Okay, okay. This one, this one, this one. Go ahead. 11. I can also accidentally, but purposefully select one of the issues and just close them, and if somebody asks, I will say, hey, sorry, I just accidentally closed that. I was just closing it. No, not gonna be sneaky like that, but just gonna close all the dependency ones because I already updated them, you know. I'm frequently getting fail locked on my PC and my password is 123. Thank you for sharing your password. Just run, what was it, fail log reset, whatever. Just, you know what, I got you, man. Just create a systemd task or a cron job that will run fail log reset every minute. How about that? Security rip. It's dead at this point. Security is just cooked, so just do that. And then, you know what, share it on the Linux or, I don't know, systemd subreddit. You're gonna get some followers. You're gonna create your own cult actually after that point because you're a visionary. You're solving the security problem in every aspect at that point. Are you using i3? Yes. My dot files in my GitHub. You can check them out. All right, let's take a look at some issues actually. GitHub rate limiting. Of course, that's a problem. Always, that's a problem. Okay, I actually checked this one today. So this one, improve mono repository support. I need to release this tomorrow. Support separating breaking changes from other changes. Okay, opened yesterday. I'm super fast. Look at this. This opened yesterday. I'm just taking a look at today. You know, that's what it takes to be a good maintainer. Of course, you gotta overlook the other 65 issues that I haven't checked in 6 months, but this is a good one to show off. Anyways, I tried to delete IG and my screen went black. I mean, of course, if you try to delete that while you're running it, that's gonna just happen, I guess. At least I'm here now. Thank you for being here. But why did you do that? We want to separate breaking changes and changelog from other changes so that users can easily find them. For example, the changelog should look something like this, and okay, try to implement this, but filtering is currently impossible because if a commit does not follow the conventional commits format, its breaking field is missing from the context or maybe null instead of being false. According to Terra filter, you cannot filter if it's null. The result is that I can filter by which comments are breaking, but I cannot filter which comments are not breaking because of their breaking field might be false, null, or I suppose even missing. Desired solution. Either custom filter that will allow this, or breaking field always set to false unless conventional commit says it must be true. Do something like if breaking continue. Okay. Wait, is there a continue filter in the Terra? Not just for i3. Oh, there is one. So if commits breaking continue, that will produce an empty group if all commits in a given group are breaking. What? Actually, I'll just ignore the proposed solution and try to come up with something myself and see if that's gonna work. Okay, so we got the latest git cliff now. Actually, I gotta have another tab to check the CI because now that I pushed dependency updates, the CI can crash any second. Yeah, obviously it just failed. Okay, check Rust version, lints, test suite, check. Wait, check is failing. That's bad. That's not good. Check without default features. Wait a minute, what do you mean this is failing? Wait, what? CA cache? Wait, what the hell? That's not even related to the git cliff code. That's a fail in the CA cache. Alright, that's really bad, guys. That's a downer, but we'll figure it out. Let me just try to make this thing happen first. So breaking changes, non-breaking changes. I think I have some breaking changes here, so let me run git cliff first of all. With the default config. Cliff toml. I don't know if we have anything related to breaking changes. Actually, we do. Breaking. Alright, so let me check the context. With the, of course, the pretty context, not the one-line JSON. So breaking false. I gotta define one line that breaking is null. Actually, no, there isn't any, because everything is following conventional commits. Wait, why this doesn't work actually? Hold on. I gotta figure that out. So buddy, here we have a loop, right? And we want to basically skip a commit if it's breaking. Let's try that. How do we reverse that check? Wait, we cannot use false in the filter? That's weird. Value is a missing attribute, or where attribute is null will be discarded. Oh, that's a bummer. Attribute is mandatory. Might be false. How do I reverse this check? Is there like a not? I literally just forgot everything about Terra at this point. If maybe something like this. I don't know. Yeah, there are no breaking changes in this last release, but there should be some. Thoughts on replacing red with pink or orange on themes with black background or better contrast readability? Neatmemes.com. Is there a real website? Red with pink or orange? Yes, I think I never like, I hardly like very very rare occasions I use red because it's like too much contrast usually with the background. So yeah, that's a good idea. I would say go for it. I mean, orange on black would be nice, I think. So yeah, I guess, I don't know, I'm not a designer, graphic designer, so yeah. So this actually works. Look at this. If breaking is false, just skip. But I guess this guy is trying to like that will produce an empty group if all the comments in a given group are breaking. If everything is breaking, wait, I don't get the problem here. You can basically do something like oh, okay. That's because it's commit breaking. I probably have to convert this to an issue now. Sorry, the discussion, because it's like a, it's like a custom config issue, not like a gitcliff issue, but okay, I got it. I want to prefer it. Why? Just by Okay, I'm just gonna comment here. Okay, feature description. I gotta check something. So let me create a new repo and see what happens if I don't have a, if I have a commit which is not conventional and not breaking. So I think I have a alias for creating dummy commits. Okay, initial commit, right? And what happens if I run this? Nothing. Init unconventional. Now what happens? Let's see. Alright, so in this case, commits, we have an ID or a message. Where's the breaking field? Breaking. Break. There's no, what? Why there's no conventional false? That's weird though. Breaking field not existing. Okay, that's actually not good. I think it's happening because I have a custom deserializer somewhere, which is doing that. Hold on, let me show it to you. This one, impulse serialize for commit, right? So here I'm serializing everything, and if it's conventional, I set the breaking field to, you know, breaking, and if it's not, I don't even serialize it. So in that case, you gotta do two checks. First, you gotta check if breaking is set, and also you gotta check what's the value. Yeah. So it happens because we cannot detect if a commit is breaking or not without parsing it. I think setting it to, wait, what did he propose? Breaking field always be set to false unless conventional commit says it must be true. I think setting it to false in those cases would be misleading. It would really help if you can provide a quick producible not reproducible. Provide a for okay, that will be clear. So GitHub workflows, I think in fixtures I have stuff like that. Hold on, fixture template, so commit sh, so here yeah, something like this, but without all the dates, of course. So I'm just gonna remove them. Wait, what? What is this? Okay. Guys, this is how it is, okay? This is like maintenance at its peak. Just tell them to solve the issue, dude. Why are you creating an issue? I should just disable issues. How about that? Or like write a bot that will reply to every newly opened issue with your GitHub sponsors link, and just close it immediately. How about that? Evo free Mr. You'll break soon to be in Joe Rogan. Who is that? Wait, I gotta just search for it. I don't know what that is, dude. I don't know who that is, but anyway, so we got that. Mr. Yulbrick. Am I just missing out on something here? Oh, is an American who created and operated the darknet market website Silk Road. Okay, what? Okay, I'm just learning new things now. The PHP that built Silk Road. Okay, interesting. What's the best way to gaslighting my dev team to rewrite our application in Rust? Dude, that sounds like a very great topic for a blog post. Gaslighting. How about okay, I got you one thing better. The best way to blackmail your boss to rewrite your entire application stack in Rust. How about that? But I mean, I guess create a presentation, which probably won't work. I tried that. I literally tried that. I created a presentation. And I was like, guys, we gotta use Rust at this point. Come on. Just forget about all the Go stuff that we're working on, okay? And that didn't work. So don't create a presentation. That's the thing that I'm gonna say. And the secondly, you gotta you just don't want to make it too obvious. Okay, you just wanna you don't want people to think that you're getting paid by Foundation to promote Rust or anything. If you get in that zone, just forget about switching to Rust. So you gotta make it really subtle. Firstly, find some tools that everybody needs, and those tools need to be, or libraries, whatever, just projects written in Rust, and just mention them sometimes, like, very very subtle. Say something like, hey, I found this thing, it's very nice. This is what we're doing. Like this is like, there's another tool that we're using, but this is actually better because of these reasons. And that, don't make it like too long, just say it very subtly, just very short. Keep it short all the time. And sometimes create some thirst traps. Okay, that's another good trick. Find something that you can show off, and keep your laptop open, or like keep your tab open in a meeting, and people will see it, right? Let's say you just, I don't know, you're working in some kind of like monitoring app or something, and there's like a Rust alternative, and or maybe like a little, like, I don't know, let's say you're writing some code and there's like a Rust library that does the same thing but better, because Rust is always better. No, everyone agrees on that. So just keep that little snippet open on your tab somewhere, right? And let the others see it for a second. Let the others see it, and don't make it too obvious. Like I said, make it like small or whatever, and just act like you just left it open on purpose. Like didn't like leave that thing there by purpose, and say something like, "Oh, sorry guys, I was just experimenting with Rust a little bit. Sounds like a great language, and just doing a little experiment. Actually, it's going really well. Maybe talk about this later, but I'm just saying, Rust is really great," and stuff like that. Just don't make it like too long, or just keep it short, and just mention it really shortly, and and you gotta just keep doing it. You gotta like be consistent with it. Like, always talk about Rust, but not too much. If you talk about too much, just forget about it, because people will just get suspicious, because maybe you're getting paid by Rust Foundation or something like that. So that's the number one mistake that people do when it comes to promoting Rust. They just talk about Rust all the time. Dude, what are you doing? Stop it. It's like, keep it like low key, and over time it will work out. Trust me. Can't go wrong with it. Taking notes. Thirst trap, it sounds from, yeah. Thirst traps. They always work. Start with a small internal tool written with Ratati. Of course, that would be actually super nice if you make it like really shiny and like running in the terminal super fast and stuff like that. That would be a good promo for Rust. And in time, when people start seeing the effects, they'll be like, okay, maybe let's give Rust a try. Seems nice. This guy is already working on it. He already built this thing, so why not? Just, you gotta like make them think about it. You don't want to like directly make them think about it though. You just gotta be a little cause in that whole process. Like when they think about Rust, they should not think about you. That's another mistake that people do, because if they associate Rust with you, that won't work. That's not sustainable, because what happens if you leave the company? You want them to think about Rust on their own and as a language, not associated with you. So yeah, dude, I don't know why I know so many things about this. Sorry if I'm getting derailed over here, but yeah. That's that basically. By the way, I don't know why this is failing. I don't know why the fuck this is failing. No default features. Why do I have why this is failing in no default features? Bro instantly started to give manipulation methods. Sorry. Those were all good points, thank you. Okay, that's good to hear. That's good to hear. Dude, I mean, it's a tough world out there, you know? I have my own tricks. I gotta survive. I mean, look at me. I'm doing open source. How do you think I survive? So many tricks. So many tricks involved. Why do you think you're watching the stream right now? Because, yeah, you know? Don't leave the stream, by the way. I was just joking. I'm not really a great mind when it comes to manipulating people. No. Okay, just don't leave. Don't leave. Stay here. Neatmemes.com. Is that a real fucking website? Hold on. Neatmemes.com. Are you kidding me? You have that name and you don't have a domain or website? No way. How much is it? It's available. Wait, this is not the correct. Neatmemes.com. It's available. How much is it? It's like 0.01 Turkish liras. I can literally just steal your name right now. This is not a thread, but I can literally steal your name, okay? You gotta just make sure that you bought this domain, man. Just saying. Just be careful, okay? Like it is like free. It is free, literally free. So yeah, just saying. Open source that almighty force that blends it all together. The wheel that always spin. This guy knows. But why the fuck this is failing now? You know, just forget about all the tricks, everything, Rust, but why this is failing? So CA cache, content right. What? That doesn't make any sense to me, because I mean, what am I doing with CA cache anyways? What am I doing with CA cache anyways? Like, it's just for CA cache. Maybe it's because of the cargo lock update. Let me just update the cargo lock. Maybe they forgot to renew. Maybe. But I mean, the domain, gotta just have the domain already. Let's try to build it again. Come on, please build. Okay, please turn out to be a Heisenbug so that I can move on with the maintenance and everything. Because I don't want to like get... Oh my god. Really? Cannot find type. Okay, we gotta go to the source, guys. When something is wrong, you gotta go to the source. And what do? You just gotta copy this. Search here. And if there are no issues showing up, you're basically fucked at that point. Like, you are so dead. So cooked. Okay, we are so dead. Oh, and there are actually two results. Future Tokyo does not compile with Rust-C. Okay, that's... Is that it? Is that it? No, I don't have the Tokyo feature. I literally have a dependency on this. Without... Oh, I have some features actually. Hold on. Which version I was using before? I gotta downgrade maybe? Dude, I don't care about downgrading at this point. I just want to make this thing work, okay? I don't want to like get lost in all the details. I gotta just look at the bigger picture. Never checked the domain. This channel was created with intention to be used to post meme compilations, but it never happened. It's never late. Never late for that. You know what? Just gotta buy that domain now. CA cache. Okay, it's 13.0. Let's go back to 13.00. Have you checked dankmemes.com maybe? That's another option. That could be your that could be your second channel maybe. What kind of memes do you guys like? What kind of memes? dark irony, meta irony, meta irony. I personally like meta irony because it's a full circle. So it's like basically reality, but not really, because it's like you just at that point you just went full circle, and you don't know what's real anymore. So that's super fun for me. Most of my streams I just make irony, by the way. Don't take me seriously. Unless I'm writing Rust. That's when I'm super serious. Locked in, dude. I'm just locked in. Depths. Downgrade CA cache. I don't know why that didn't work, but let's downgrade CA cache. And oh wait, I didn't check the no default features. Okay, it's not about CA cache now. It's about Tokyo, I think. Hold on. Tokyo 1.41. Let's go to 42 maybe. I didn't downgrade it. That wasn't downgraded at all. Oh wait, it was. So let me downgrade Tokyo too, maybe that's why, I don't know. Dude, that does not make any sense to me. I literally downgraded that. Okay, maybe it's about the Rust version. Which Rust version do I have right now? It's nightly. Let's try stable. Oh my god. What is this? I will just search the entirety of GitHub to find out. I like memes that you get posted on Reddit. Thank you. You mean Rust Jerk, I think. I don't know what he's doing, but it is satisfying. I am changing the world right now. It is just gonna change the world. Dude, I just wanna... What are these issues? Oh my god. Rust. Give me the Rust issues. Owner. No. I just wanna oh my god. This is so freaking annoying. Because why the fuck this is happening? First of all. And why am I still using... What? That's not... Wait. That's wrong. Hold on. Let me reset this. Reset cargo lock too. That's causing problems. We're just gonna go ahead and see a cache. Oh my god, just let me... Do you see this? Don't use Novim. I mean... Just very annoying. Dude. Let me just type. Okay. Cargo lock. I don't know why it took so much time to actually get here. But we are very slowly progressing in the maintenance of this project now. I'm just gonna pin this actually. Let's pin it and try now. I'm here. What did I miss? You missed all the fun. Transistor egg. By the way, welcome. But you missed like... Okay, the biggest thing I think you missed was Rust manipulation techniques. How to get your company to switch to... Oh my god, did I just get a donation? I discovered your work at LinkedIn while searching for Rust jobs. Your posts were really cool, so I decided to look up YouTube, and here we are. Dude, you didn't have to do that. Thank you. Thank you so much for the $5 Rust dollars. Thank you. That's like amazing. Now that I can fund my open source work, get some coffee, I don't know, find some LinkedIn credit, paying back. LinkedIn credit is so important. Again, I'm like eternally grateful because of that. I like, look at me, I'm just shocked. Like I can't even like go ahead and do more maintenance. Rust dollars. Okay. I actually repost my favorite Rust jerk memes here on YouTube. Wait, I gotta check your channel actually. Hold on. Go to channel. Let's see. How do you post them as a video format? Dude, your description is 70% where programming sucks. That's what my poll says. Ferris. I got you. You want programming sucks? I have something better for you. Where in my merch? Guys, Rotate socks. Let's go. Let's go. Look at the description. This is unfortunately a drip and there's nothing you can do about it. Buy this. Buy this first. I got you something better. Look at this. 16 nylon, 22 cotton and 18 spandex. Whatever the fuck that is. Crev length, cushioned bottom, ribbed leg. Blank product sourced from China. My homies from China grinding that Ratatouille socks, okay? I got you. All the sizes. M, L, XL, whatever you have. I know that you have small feet. That was weird. But yeah. $15. Let's go. Dude. Yeah, so that joke was out of the guidelines at that point, but I like it. Disgusting. Let's pin this dependency now. Okay. Pin CA cache to 13, whatever. More importantly, is he? I think he was in at that some point. Like at some point he said that, but I don't know. So we just found a way around the dependency thing, so that's cool. That should just work now. Check the links. Why this is failing? Why in the world this is failing? Hold on, let's see. Cached network error. Jujutsu website is not working. Of course, this is a wrong link, but this is actually working. What are you on, Lichi? It's giving 404. Oh, this changed to, okay, they changed the link. Of course, now I gotta update all the links. What was the old link? Martin once. Let's update it. JJ latest. Let's go do that. There you go. You just pulled out a few minutes ago. That's just sad, bro. Just imagine you tune into a stream and then you just leave and then they start talking behind you. And you don't even expect that. But in these streams, I just know everybody, okay? Because you know, we just like a, I don't know, little house, like grind house. And you guys are just the members at that point. So I gotta know everybody. I know what Transistoric looks like in real life. He is just a LLM. I seen his code, okay? He's a moderator because he is just a very nicely trained LLM. Ferris is just a sock in real life. Just a single sock. Left foot. Yeah. Like, he's not actually a human. He's just a sock. Ex Omeo, Yasser is just a guy. Just like a cool guy on LinkedIn. I checked his profile. He's just grinding on some stuff. I don't know. Man, I want Big Catch to be out already. Downloaded the demo again. It's really good. What is Big Catch? Big Catch sounds like a scam thing. Oh, it's a video game. Okay. What was the other game that I... Wow. Wow. That's a big catch now. That's a fucking big catch, okay? But, I mean, is this a fishing related game? I don't know, I'll check later. Hold on, let me fix this. Okay. Let's do that. Docs. Jujutsu. Update links to the documentation. Upstream documentation. Okay, that makes sense. Now that's also a big catch. Big, only big. A retro 3D platform where you use a fishing pole to swing around. Dude, you have good taste in games. I like that. But unfortunately, I don't have much time to play these days. Otherwise, I would fucking blast out, I don't know, 2 gameplays per stream. Like, I don't care. But, yeah, I guess I'm not that big on games anyways. Anyways, let's just run cargo MSRV because that seems like we have updated. We didn't update the MSRV, so it's failing. Let's see, compatible, incompatible, and stuff like that. We're just gonna go ahead here and update the minimum supported Rust version. If you're not familiar with MSRV, that's what it stands for. So yeah, game seems perfect. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how he finds those games, but I just like his taste. Just let me know when it's out. I'm also interested. I mean, the last thing that I played on this channel was Rat Shaker, and it was a good game. Even though it didn't feel like while I was playing it. Well, it felt weird, to be clear. But, and then I thought about it and just a good game, dude. I believe web fishing 2024 is blowing up. I get to at some point switch to the fish as my main pet. Like right now we're using rat, and that's getting a bit old, you know. Maybe 2026 will be, you know, a fish year. Well, let's see. I didn't choose to be a rat. I was just forced. I born to be a dragon, but I evolved to be a rat at that point. So, what are you gonna do, man? So I like fishes. Fishing. I never been to like a proper fishing thing before. That could be a nice IRL stream actually. You know, one day you just tune in and you see me fishing, and at that point I stopped writing Rust and doing all these open source stuff. I just stopped touching computers basically. And yeah, you just see me fishing, dude. No talking, just fishing. Fish shell. I don't use that, but yeah. Born to be shaken. I don't know why everyone's dream is to just go to fishing when they retire or something, you know. When you talk to somebody who is like a, you know, like burned out in the tech industry or something, they will say that they just want to quit everything and go to fishing, or just, you know, move to a farm or something. But that thing alone has its own drawbacks. So I don't know. Like you gotta just survive at that point. How are you gonna survive if you don't get like a 120k per year salary? How are you gonna survive if you don't get like a $5 donation on live stream? You know, it's just hard, dude. It's hard. You know, nobody really thinks about that. Everyone's thinking about just going away. That's lazy, okay? Checking out Fishing with David Lucas, kind of funny interviews about fishing. Wait, is that a real thing? Fishing with David Lucas. That actually a good way to... Sam Hyde? Okay, now we're talking. I gotta watch this. I gotta watch this now. Not now, but I'll watch later. Alright, Sam Hyde is my guy. I'm just gonna watch this later. How do I save it? Save. Watch later, alright? Thank you. Neatmemes.com. Thank you for that. Maybe that could be a nice treadmill watch. Do you know what treadmill watch is? That's something that I do on daily basis. I just watch these stuff on the treadmill, or just on the stairs, like, you know, gym stuff, or podcasts. I don't know. Like the neofetch mainer, drop it all and take it up. Take up forming. Yeah, yeah. Copyright strike immediately. God damn it. God damn it. I fall for it. MSRV, let's see. I think okay, I need to update some other docs as well. Let's see. Not really though. Maybe this one will give me more tips, but okay, I gotta update that. Minimum supported Rust version. Minimum supported Rust version is, dude, that's super outdated at this point. It's actually 1.83. I hope nobody actually read this because it was super outdated, but anyways. So we got that now. Build bump MSRV to 1.83.0. all right. Before I push this and see if it's gonna work, let me check the lens too, because if I remember correctly, there were like a lot of clippy stuff going on. Clippy. Wait, what? Next back? Is that a new thing? I didn't know about this. So what I do is split and last, which makes sense, I think. Implemented by consumer, which is unsafe. Consumer, which is unsafe. Double instance Rust do not allow specialization. Okay, I guess that, yeah, we learn something every day, guys. If you split something, if you want to get the latest element from that split, if you're like a double-ended iterator, basically. Oh wait, what? Anyways, let me run clippy. If you do that, just use next back. Okay. Do we have a Patreon with private IRC channel? I have something similar, not IRC though. If you join the Discord, there's like a private channel for the grinders. It's not a gay slang. It's like grinding people, you know, working on shit. We have that thing if you want to be a part of it. If you use Discord, I mean, I assume you don't because you asked for IRC. But if you want to get really private, just add me on SoundCloud. Send me a DM there. It's super private, okay? Well, let me know. Or I can give you the IP of my Minecraft server. You can join and we can just chat in the in-game chat. How about that? That's actually a good idea for a first date. Have you ever considered that? You know, everyone is so boring these days. You just go outside, have a dinner, whatever. For me, it's always about the Minecraft. So you just gotta invite your date to a Minecraft server and, you know, chat in the chat. Maybe build some houses together, you know, living the future dreams, which will never happen probably. That was harsh, but you gotta be real, alright? If you're writing Rust and if you're using Arch Linux, by the way, that's not gonna happen. So only date you're gonna get is going to be in the Minecraft, which is fine, which is, I think, super nice. I mean, whoever did that, you know? So I don't know, I'm proud of myself at this point. What is this complaining about? This looks like a formatting argument, but is not part of a formatting macro. What the hell do you mean? Man, I hate Discord. Yeah, I figured that. Everyone hates it, but you gotta... Yeah. I don't know. By the way, did you know that Discord is banned in Turkey, so I cannot really use Discord without a VPN? So I gotta just crank up those VPN connections if I want to use Discord, which is super annoying. But anyways, I use it. Dude, why are you complaining? That there's not like a macro over here. Doesn't really make sense. Something is really wrong. How about I change this thing like that? Okay, maybe this will work. Let's see. I hope the behavior of next back is the same as split last. If not, we're fucked. I don't know why I'm spitting bars right now. I gotta work on my album. I'm just slacking on that. Next month I will go and visit one of my good friends. And we're gonna probably just work on some bangers together. Because we wanna like link up for some time now. We've been just catching up on the internet. And when we do, I'm just gonna bring all my equipments, MIDI keyboard, microphone, and that's actually it. I'm just gonna bring all of them and we're gonna lock in, dude. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna probably live stream there too. So yeah. Gotta go. Where are you going? We're just starting, dude. Refactor, lint, I guess. I don't know. Apply, clippy, suggestions. Alright, that should actually make the CI pass and everything should be fine. Big catch. Bruh, look at this. Not everybody knows this, alright? This thing over here is the real big catch. It's not like a video game, come on. It's not like a video game where you trick your mind into that you're actually fishing. It's a freaking in real life mode of the big catch. Look at this, dude. Oh my god, it has music too. So what you talking about, huh? It's the real big catch. And look at this. You can also use something other than water. Think about it. Red Bull. Just pour some Red Bull into these thing, and the poor fish is just gonna suffer in freaking electrolytes. I don't know why I'm sounding that cruel. Mayonnaise. Yes. Just imagine that. That would be sick. Dude, computers made everything worse. Okay, we don't have the in real life big catch anymore. Why this is still failing? And we're just failing to build a Nix flag now. Does anybody know anything about the Nix? Because I don't know anything about it. I probably have to bump the overlay or whatever. Dude, why are you complaining? There isn't any issue with this. 29. I'm just gonna allow it actually. Does it work if I put this here? I don't know. Literal string with formatting arcs. What is this actually? Let me see. Why am I getting C results when I search for Rust lint? Nix has the worst error messages, can't stand it. Dude, I cannot stand the entirety of Nix at this point. Because of the fanboys, by the way. Because, I mean, it always like... Okay, remember what I said about promoting Rust, you know? It's the same thing. If the Nix fanboys and Nix people were smart... Dude, what am I fucking getting into the controversial takes here? But if they were actually promoting this in a smart way, I'm not saying they're dumb or anything. They're smart, of course. They built Nix. But my point is, you know, it's the same thing with Rust. So if they promoted it as a like a subtle way, it would work. I needed to discover Nix myself to be able to understand it better and not have this bias against it. But since people are just pushing that down my throat, it is painful. You know. Do you guys agree with me, or like, yeah, just let me know if you don't agree with me. But that's how I felt like, everyone just, pushing Nix, and like at that point you're like, okay guys, chill down, okay. The spice is flowing. Sorry. I'm not sorry. Nix people. Maybe this will fix it, I don't know. But I mean, like Nix Flake, there should be a cron job like thing actually for updating. Okay, Rusty is not support. Okay, I gotta update the overlay now. How do I do that? Does anybody know how to update Nix? Okay, what did I commit? Don't slip. Wait a minute, let me check. Let me see the source. There literally isn't anything related to the format strings, but I guess I just gonna allow this lint. Allow doc lint, I guess, I don't know. So how do I do this now? I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT, because first of all, I didn't create this Nix file, so I don't know about the details, but only thing that I remember about it is that there's some overlay or something like that, Rust overlay, right? And it's using Rust 1.82, and that's why it's failing. And it's defined over here somewhere, Rust overlay, and it's not defined as the version, it's defined as the revision, so you don't know what version of Rust this is using. So I gotta update the whole overlay probably. I use Nixos for 6 months at least on that scenario. Nix is great. The community that uses the official discourse forum seemed polite. I believe most of the annoying ones are on Reddit. Yeah, I guess I would agree with that. Okay, don't get me wrong though, I don't hate Nix. I just hate the toxic people on the internet, which I think everybody hates them. Yeah. How do I update the Rust overlay to fix that? Dude, there should be just one command. Nix overlay update. Nix update. I don't know. Guys, I'm quite puzzled at this point. I don't know what to do. We can probably take a look at the Flake Nix. Flake lock. Update flakes. Okay, how did I do that? I don't remember how I did that. But I apparently did that. Is it like Nix? Nix build maybe? I don't know. Dude, somebody help please. Somebody help. Nix update flakes. I'm struggling. Updating the system. Nix flake update. Okay, is that it? I guess that's it. That was a pain to figure out though. Why? yeah, after the stream, I gotta work on my clips. Not the ones that you put in a gun. I meant the short form content, because I'm now grinding that for some reason. So I don't want to like create more content that I can actually process. So if you're interested in helping me with that, let me know. I can pay you generously. Generously, yeah, that's a word, right? So yeah, short form content is just, I don't know why I started doing that, but that's basically what I'm gonna do. And yeah, okay, we got that. Everything should be good now. Update flakes. Cornflakes. Push that. Alright, please CI, just pass. And let me rest in peace. Not in a bad way. These are all drafts. I guess this one can be updated. Yeah, maybe later on, not now. This code cov also can be updated. These are all just stale PRs. What is this one though? I didn't even check this one. Allow environment variables to override built-in configurations. It's not possible. Okay, this is bad because this was created in November and we are in 2025 now. So yeah, I didn't check this in 2 months. Wow. It's open source. Neatmemes.com. Do you want to get your $5 back now? Because you see that I'm a bad maintainer. I can send it back to you, no problem. Just give me your PayPal or whatever. At least for me, YouTube has been way better at promoting shorts-based channels than promoting channels with only regular video format. So you actually reach success with shorts form content. Can you just take a look at my shorts and let me know what you think? Okay, Git Cliff, GitHub. Okay. Updating shorts is kind of not an option. I see. Raw config, get config, parsed, add source, parsed and name. Okay, so this is actually good. It's not a bad PR by any means. I like it. Though I need to rebase that. Also test it out. So yeah, let's do that, I guess. Update flex failed. Lints. Oh my god, what is this, dude? Why is this failing now? I don't get why this is failing. Like, this does not make any sense to me. This looks like a formatting argument, but it's not part of formatting macro. There isn't anything related to that. Let me actually update Rust and see. My alias for... Wait, what? Okay, I guess. My alias for updating Rust is Rust C++. I recommend it too. Like, it's a fun one. Alright, what else did fail? Docker builds. Of course. Of course, not even surprised. It's because of the Rust, right? Yes. Because of the Rust. So, where is it? Docker file. Use cargo chef, so I gotta find that now. Cargo chef. You have the strangest aliases for everything. Dude, you don't know the half of it. Trust me. Don't go into my dot files and try to find weird aliases, okay? Don't stalk my aliases. Um, 1.68. What's the latest version of Cargo Chef? Cargo Chef. It's from our beloved maintainer, Luke Matwalker. Do you guys know this guy? Luca Palmieri. It's a great guy. Rust 1.82. Okay, I gotta filter tags now. Rust 1. It's slow. 1.83 I need. Okay, it's not showing up. Rust latest. I don't want to use latest. I want to pin this dependency now. Do we have this one exactly? I don't like the tag format on Docker. Like, it's too long. 84. We have 84. I think 84 is okay too. Let's go 84. 84. Do we have the slim version? Yes, we have the slim version. I feel like I'm buying cigarettes at a freaking kiosk or something. Like, you know, hey, do we have the Marlboro Slim, whatever? Instead, we have the 0.70 Rust 0.84 Slim. I don't know. I haven't like, I never smoked in my life, so that's not a real experience. Okay, guys, don't smoke. It's lame. Come on. Alright, I'm just gonna expose my bad habits now. Grinding. Alright, this would actually work, but hold on. Did I update Rust already? Yeah, okay, so Rust up default nightly. Let's run Clippy now. I hope I will get... Okay, finally. Finally I can fix this properly, okay? It's not giving me that warning here. I don't know what's up with that actually. I don't get it at all. Like, what is that lint? Is this some kind of like a, you know, some kind of bleeding edge nightly lint that I don't have, or what is this exactly? Because I don't see any references. Hold on, let me try to figure it out. Where is it? I'm just lost in the logs. Alright. So, what the hell? There's no format in librs. What the hell are you talking about, first of all? And secondly, how did you reach to that conclusion? And when was this lint added? This should be allowed, actually. So, wait, is it about the core, maybe? No, it's not. Super weird, though. Oh, maybe it's in the... Hold on. No, it's not. No. What the hell? Oh my god. It doesn't even show the related results. What kind of obscure macro is this? Sorry, lint. False positive on test. Yeah, thank you. Somebody actually found a false positive. I don't even have a format macro. Like, what the hell? I'll just watch this and ignore that lint in the meantime. I'm just gonna ignore it in the workflow. Where's Clippy? Clippy. Wait. Check the pedantic links. Lints. Is it a pedantic one? No, it's not. So how do I skip that? Warnings. Clippy skip lint. Is there a way to skip a lint in the cargo toml? Oh, there's a Clippy toml. I never used that actually, but we should probably use that. Clippy documentation. Allow, warn. Oh, this is just allowing. So I gotta just do that here, basically. So doing that would work fine, I think. I don't know why this is now changed the highlighting, but wait. Okay, I guess this would work. So I'm just gonna allow that one, and we are Gucci. Lint. Wow. Was it lint on? Okay, whatever. Just push it. I don't care, dude. It's just a documentation lint, which does not make any sense because I'm not even using the format macro. I don't know why it happens. But now we should have like a green CI, I hope. Oh, I gotta check this PR now. Let me go ahead and check it. This one is also interesting. I don't know why I didn't do it. Okay, I did something here. Okay, I gotta finish this one too. But it's luckily a quick one. I can do it tomorrow before the release. Initialize TUI. Where is it? Where is it once again? This one is a draft. Oh, this one, okay. Let me pull this. Green CI, come on. Green. Go green. Go green, hashtag 420. Hashtag 420, come on, I believe you that you can just become green now. I like the music. Finally something good. Alright, so... Oh man, I felt like I did so many things, but I really didn't. That's the beauty and curse of open source. You just like, okay, I did that and feels like I didn't do anything. Am I the only one? Guys, come on, give me some motivation to keep working on this, okay? I want to hear your good wishes or whatever, okay? Sometimes we're all human beings, right? You gotta support the homie when he is down bad, on the ground. You did good today, no cap, thank you, but I have a cap and I have a rat under the cap, so not me actually, the rat did good, and there's a cap, but thank you. Wait, this is already been, okay, no. Toml from string get config. What is this get config thing? It's built in config. I should bring back the penguin hat for extra locking in. We're bringing back the penguin hat, guys. How about that? The penguin hat is back. It's actually pretty cold outside, so it would make sense if I bring it back. But not gonna do it. Maybe in another stream I can just bring it back. But okay, I gotta find a place where I parse the config. There you go. File from string toml. It's actually, we can just use this here. Config build. It's the same code, right? It's literally the same code. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do actually. Let's parse. Just contents. I just need the contents. But this is not exposed. This should be exposed. I guess create config. Oh no, it's not part of the config, it's part of the config. You know? Alright, that's easy. I don't know why I missed this PR. It's super quick to just merge. Penguin hat kernel dev mode activates reading and assembly as a native language. Dude, Penguin hat has a big meaning in my open source career. If you wanna call this thing a career, I guess it is. So yeah, the Penguin hat is important. It has a big importance. Config parse from string. I just gotta make sure that this is actually doing the same thing as this function. File from string. My eyes started to shrink a little bit because I'm getting sleepy. Don't worry, I'm not gonna stop the grind. We're still grinding, but you know, sometimes you get like, I don't know. I don't want to say sleepy. That sounds weak. We're not weak, okay? It's more like, I don't know. We should find a good way of not saying sleepy, but saying sleepy at the same time. We need a grind dictionary. Add source. Config file from. Okay, that should just work actually. That should just work. Try this serialize. Okay, that's gonna work. Let me just commit that. Refactor, embed, simplify, config parsing. Rebase on main 2, or just merge main maybe. You just merge main. I hope they gave me the permission to push to that branch. Fingers crossed. Although I don't have fingers, it's been pushed. Great. As an old man, sleep is not for the weak. Sleep is, yeah. You're not old, man. You're a CTO of some company, right? So you have like the highest street credit among us. So I kind of like respect that. Can we just get 07s in the chat for Tyler? 07, man. Keep grinding. Also, I saw that you didn't buy merch yet, so I'm a bit disappointed, Tyler, about that. Yeah, just saying, okay, just saying. Go and buy one of the Ratatouille socks or whatever. It's a great thing to wear these days. Alright, this should just work. Let's see if the CI is green now. CI is super... No, it's not green yet, but it's green because Docker is just taking time all the time anyways. So it's green. I'll just see that as green. It's yellow, but yellow is yellow. Black and yellow. Wiz Khalifa. Shout out to my man Wiz Khalifa. Okay, maybe. Okay, you know what? I have an interesting idea. We should have a Caldo affair. Yeah, we should have like a list of rappers, like a very well-known rappers and programming languages, and we should just match them. You know, that's a fun thing to do. Just imagine, you know, you have Wiz Khalifa. What would Wiz Khalifa write if he was a programmer? You know, it's a fun thing to just think about. Or like, I don't know, 50 Cent. I think 50 Cent would probably write something like Delphi. You know? I don't know why, I just feel like it. That's just a fun thing. Also, like, I don't know, let's think about someone someone like more mainstream, maybe. ASAP Rocky. I think ASAP Rocky would write Go, most likely write Go. I don't know, maybe it's a stupid idea, but I just like to think about it. Eminem is definitely assembly. Dude is fast as fuck. Yeah. Maybe I don't know. Let's think about who would write Holy C. Because Holy C is like, I don't know, it's the best language out there, so it should be someone who is really solid. You know? I don't know. I'm just gonna pull these stuff, merge main on them, and watch the CI go green, and then I can finally merge them. Just merge them. Alright, git push. Patch versions bumped on breaking change if scope contains space. I think I already looked at it. Self-hosted GitLab instances. That's a big one. Yeah, that's a big one. Automatic include paths does not respect work there. Okay, that's bad. That's bad. Yeah, I gotta fix that now. Default environment realist naming. What is this? Wu-Tang for Holy See. Both are forever. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Nice one, Tyler. Some more quality of life enhancement, dread and bug. Oh, GitHub repository, it should be called GitHub repo. Okay, that's also a quick fix. Okay, they're all doable. This one was a big one, I think. Yeah, I gotta check this one too. God damn it, there are a lot of things. Include the folder net template in context. I think I already checked this one too. I really like Kendrick Lamar, but based on all the compliments he receives about his lyricism level, he might be a candidate to Rust. Yeah, it's a tough one. It's a really tough one, actually. But yeah, there are like still stuff to be worked on here for tomorrow. But other than that, we should be good. There's also Gitcliff action. But I think this wrapper and programming language match thing would be actually fun. Maybe I should just do that in some stream. There was this one. I don't know what happened here too. It's been just closed. I gotta fix that one too. So basically tomorrow I'll just wake up and go through each one of them. But this should be ready now. Thanks. Maybe I should release this on Friday because tomorrow will be mostly fixing other stuff. Yeah, Friday. Let me just schedule this on Friday. I gotta write a blog post about it too. So yeah, let me do that on Friday. And on Saturday, no. Okay, I gotta. Okay, for tomorrow, I will just fix the rest of this. Not on live stream, by the way. No Friday releases. Why? Yeah, I don't know. Let me think about it. It's for the contribution. Monday only. Dude, I gotta wait for a long time. I gotta move fast and break things, you know? I got other stuff, so I gotta sadly release it on Friday probably. Well, let's see. I don't think I will be able to finish the other stuff tomorrow and just release it in the same day because I'm also doing some practices for my upcoming talks. And 2 talks, by the way, not just one. If I had 1 talk, I would be more chill, but no, it's the grind mode. So I gotta practice for my 2 talks and then also work on other Arch Linux stuff and stuff like that. Peace, Tyler. Take care. Okay, confirm it. Alright, we are 1 PR down. Is this working too? Test with what is this? Why is this failing now? Oh man, so many stuff to do. And also I have to release other projects now. We have to release Ratatouille too. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna find time for all of these. It's gonna be tough. It's always tough actually. There isn't a period in my life where I feel like super chill and like, you know, there's nothing to do or something like that. But it's good because I kind of want it that way. because otherwise it would be so boring, I just like to work on things constantly. Otherwise I would probably get depressed. I'm just gonna merge everything, and also maybe just close these ones because they're just from last year and I don't think people will actually work on them now. They close. This one I'm gonna make it a draft because I gotta eventually switch to stable rustfmt, but not now, I guess. What if I call back this one? Just close it. Close it. This one, I don't know, maybe we can close it too. Hey yo, what's the progress on this? Okay, that's that. This is also super outdated. But it's useful because eventually I want to revamp configuration, I think. Maybe in 2 years. But yeah, eventually. I'm just gonna close this one too. Not really. I can just assign dependencies label. No. Is there security label? Anyways, let me keep it open in case somebody's suspicious of something. Damn, so many issues. I just gotta go through each one tomorrow. But for now, I think we're in good shape. At least the CI is in a good shape, and a PR has been merged. I commented on a issue. Rust TypeScript CSS. How is the website doing? Is it still up? Okay, it's still up. I mean, it's not been so long since the last release, but just gotta check that, Follow Gitcliff on Twitter. Mastodon. Now I gotta create a Blue Sky account too. God damn it. So many socials. Is the act of creating a utilities modules on project flag that it will soon get bloated? I think it's a flag for either that or it's gonna get okay. One of two things can two things can happen in that case. The first one is it will get bloated, and the second one is utils will just disappear, because eventually the author will realize that, hey, these utilities actually belong to some place else, and they will just kind of move them from the utils, and the utils will disappear. But usually, and in my experience, when you have utils, it means that you have some functionality that you cannot really categorize elsewhere, so you kind of like create this utils. Yeah, it's gonna get bloated eventually. I mean, look at my project in Ratzilla. look at utils. It's bad, dude. No, it's not this utils. This is actually good, but in the backend utils, it's like bunch of unrelated functions and like some stuff in there with to-dos and so on. But eventually I will just get rid of this utils because this is like backend utils, and I will just move them into the backends respectively. So yeah. By the way, give this guy a star, okay? Let's get this thing to the moon. I probably spent, now that I'm tracking hours in my contracting work, I kind of realize how much time I spend on these projects. And now that I'm also like live streaming, I can eventually like have some metrics, some hours in my hand. So I've been thinking about how much time I spent on this project the other day, and I probably spent like, I don't know, 1,000 hours or something close to that. Probably, maybe I'm just exaggerating too much, but you know, so much time has been spent here. 1,000 hours is actually a realistic metric, because I'm just comparing that to my day job, or quote unquote. It's not a day job, but you know, something that I'm getting paid for. So yeah, quantify in hours your effort. So yeah, that's that, guys. I'm just gonna go now. Actually, I don't know what else I'm gonna do. Actually, hold on. Let me check my emails. Damn, I have so much emails from GitHub. Wonder why. So much emails about a bunch of dependency updates and failed CI. But one second. Neatmemes.com. Are you going to any conferences this year? Just curious. I don't want you to expose yourself, so just ignore the question if you don't want to be exposed. But I don't think you are like super security oriented person, because your name is literally your domain, which does not exist yet, but that's not the point. Okay, that's that. Okay, I'ma go now. I never went on a single one, really. You should, man. They're fun. But don't forget, don't socialize, okay? You're a lone wolf. This guy says bye. I'm not going yet, come on. You can go, by the way, but I'll just hang around for 42 seconds more, because I mean, why not? Look at the sticker. I couldn't really stick it really well because it's like bigger than the mic's screw, whatever. My cursor was on the X button. Just click it already. I do better online. Did you join Discord, by the way? I know that you hate Discord, but we're just chilling on Discord. It's a nice place. We're just a bunch of people grinding. So if you ever consider that, come join us. Let me post the Discord link real quick in case you or anybody else want to join. There you go. Okay, guys, I'ma go. I'll see you later. I'll try to make some shorts now. I will consider Discord. It would be a nice, it would be a great pleasure to have you there. But yeah, I guess keep grinding. I'm gonna catch you later with another live stream. Subscribe, like the video, and I don't know, follow on socials, do this and that. If you liked what I'm doing, talk about my content with your friends and co-workers and other people so that they can come and enjoy too, and then we can actually expand this community at that point and teach people more about tweeze and rust and how to live the grind life and stuff like that, you know. So that would be great, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. And I guess I'm out. So good night. Of course, I'm not gonna go and sleep now. I have some other stuff to do. Don't worry. The grind never ends. Anyways, goodbye. Take care. Neatmemes.com. Nice to meet you, man. Goodbye. Okay, time to write some Go.